If you are a fan of prawns, then this easy masala prawn fry comes together in about 15 minutes and turns any boring lunch into an interesting one. So without further ado, let's get cooking. Let's take about 200 grams of clean deveined prawns, some chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, cumin powder, pepper, a few cloves of garlic roughly pounded, and half a lime. To the clean deveined prawns, let's add in all the spices along with some salt and the juice of half a lime. Give this a good mix and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. Once that's done, let's heat some oil in a pan. I'm using coconut oil here, feel free to use any oil. Add in a generous amount of curry leaves. Fry them until they get crispy. To this, let's add the marinated prawns. Prawns need to cook just about 3 minutes on each side. They cook very fast. Give it a good stir. Make sure the garlic is well cooked. That's one side. Give it a good mix and fry them a little more. That looks perfectly done. Now serve this with some hot rice along with rasam or curd or sambar or absolutely anything, and enjoy. The prawn fry is done. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.